Welcome to Quantum X Trades. I would like to do a quick BTC update since we have some movement in the market. So without further ado, let's begin. On a daily time frame, we have the ABC pattern that we're expecting. We're currently in the C wave and we have been looking at the C wave in parts. So let me go down to the lower time frame to see what has transpired. In my previous video, if you watched it, I marked three levels from the volume profile. So let me turn it on quickly. All right, so from the volume profile, I marked 3 points. So we have this one here, this one, and this one. When I was making the video, we were right about here. And I indicated that if we turn this into support, we might go up. If we break this, then we might have further action to the downside. How low? I marked an area which I was expecting, but if you watched my previous video, right, I indicated this node right here as a very important area. So if I'd said that if it's broken and we'll have further downside, you would have noticed that we quickly regained this node here. So we broke down, we didn't turn it into resistance, we broke through it, we turned it into support, and again we are turning it into support. So this area has been quite strong, and as we can see right now, we are going up, right? So in the past let's say 1 to 3 days, the market has been ranging. As you can see, the volume profile is it looks the same. So we have the POC, the yellow line, right? It's not it's almost the same throughout these 3 days. This is an indication of markets ranging. If you look at the previous action, for example, the POCs are quite apart, but the last 3 days the POC has just been almost making a single line, meaning we have been ranging. So now we have made a move up. What will be our targets then? So my target is still this area, the box that I've marked, right? Around the 24,000 to 24,990, somewhere there. But that's quite far, but that's where I'm expecting price to go to. All right, so let's go down to the 5 minutes just to see what is happening down here. So as we can see, we are first testing this resistance. So let me expand the chart. We see what is happening. So currently it's kind of being rejected, but that doesn't mean that price will reverse, right? What I would like to see is this resistance, right, to be turned into support. Yeah, so I would like this resistance to be turned into support. So that means trading above 23,400 or trading above 23,300, if you can see the price on the right. Okay, if we turn this into support, I would like us to break this resistance up here, which is 23,600 and 23,700 area. Okay, so should you be buying this or should you be selling it, right? Personally, I wouldn't be shorting and I wouldn't be buying either because I have no idea where price is likely to go, right? But for those that want to buy, as any trader would advise, keep your stops tight. Put a stop loss to avoid any losses. So the purpose of this video is to show you the following. Just a kind reminder that we plotted, let me go to the 1 hour. All right, so I explained this in previous videos that what I would like to see is for price to, so we are currently in a bullish scenario where we have broken this 0 fib level. If we can stay around in this area or bounce around in this area, that would be good. The best bull scenario would be if we break 23,587 somewhere there and then turn this into support. If we can turn that into support, I'm about 80–90% sure that we're going to reach or touch the 24,000 area. And from there, that's when I'm expecting price to give us a retracement. But even then, I wouldn't be quick to say we're going to drop. I would like to assume that we're going to drop, but I would like to assess, look at the price action when we get to those areas. So for now, if anybody is wondering how to look at what is happening in the markets, what to look out for, I repeat, is simply if we can trade above 23,587, turn that into support, that would be the minus 0.13 fib level. And if we can turn that into support, we're going to go up. Okay, so just a quick demonstration. So if we were trading, let me bring that down to where this whole move started, right? So if I were to plot this again, look at this. Imagine, and I'll play it back so that it makes sense. All right, so imagine we are right here, okay? We're right here. And where's the play button? Okay, right there. I'll put that there. Okay, so imagine we are here. It's 1x. Okay, so this is the first high that I see, right? It has retraced, so I'll mark this as my high. So with this price action, for me to be sure that we're going to continue, I would like to see the price find support above the 0.13 area. And then I'll be sure to say we are going to go to these levels, the 23,000 and 23,900 area. So you can see these levels, okay? So let's watch the price action. So here we test the 0 area, we're coming down. Okay, we push through it, which is good. If we can stay in this range, that would be good. Okay, we drop down again. Keep an eye on the price action. So we cut through the 0 fib level. We drop down again. Okay, come back up. Okay, can I speed this up? Yes, I can. Okay, we already have an expanding flat right there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're pushing up. Okay, so let's see where price goes. All right, so this is what I was trying to explain, that if we break and find support above the minus 0.13, we usually hit these levels. As you can see, we hit that level, and I'm sure we dropped from there. I don't know what happens after that, but this was just to demonstrate the current price action. So where we are right now, let me use another chart. So we are kind of here, right? So I would like to see price find support above the minus 0.13. If we can have that scenario, then I'll be sure that we're going to at least touch 24K, right? So if I see that it's turning into support, I would gladly buy, because at least then I'm sure that we're going to have that move to the upside. But I'll, of course, put a tight stop loss. So I think this is it for today. At least for now, right? This could be your guide. If you're a bit skeptical of the price action, if it's confusing, at least look out for what I have just shared with you. All right. So let me Okay, also look at 5 minutes quickly. We see what is happening. All right, so on a 5 minute, let's see. Okay, so this is too early to tell, right? The day has just begun, so we might have we might have a change of structure, but overall, if I can mark these levels again, so if I click on this, it shows the levels that I'm looking out for to be turned into support. Then up here we have also these levels that I would like to be turned into support. So currently we're going up, and I'm waiting if we can consolidate above the minus 0.13 fib, which is around the 23,500 area. Then we will be it will be more probable for us to hit 24k. If we don't, then if any structure changes, because if anything changes in the markets, I'll upload a quick video to update on what to share my thoughts in short. So once again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and if you're interested in my analysis, you can join Telegram. You can comment below the videos, and I'll be happy to engage or respond or answer to any questions. All right, so thank you very much. Bye-bye. See you.